Alright, here she is. 1984 Toyota Sunrader. I think it's about a 21 footer. Rear dinette, rear door. I know a lot of them have the door up front, but this one's got the rear. Axle was changed to the 6-lug dually. Kitchen. Gas oven and stove. Sink. Nice window. Also got a storage down here. All the goodies. I don't even know what I'm getting myself into, but basically gonna gut this whole thing for the most part. Oh, don't do
Don't do that.
Oh, I'm 6 foot, so you know, you're gonna have to squeeze, but the refrigerator that runs on gas or electric. You can change it down there, so that'll be pretty sweet. Hopefully figure out what's working, what's not. A little bit of water damage in the roof, so I'm gonna have to probably rip the roof. The floor I've already wanted to remove. Here you go. Still in really good condition. All the windows are solid and open and working right now. All the cabinets are just destroyed, so it's just these old 1984. Just replace those probably. Do some sanding or something on that. Head unit's still in decent shape. See what works and what doesn't. Our plan is probably to rip this whole thing out and do chair and tables right here, like a little dining set right here where I got all my tools. Alright. And that's pretty much the view from the front of the truck. Nice little setup. Oh, here's the bathroom, by the way. Sink. There'll be a shower nozzle I'll have to install. But yeah, check that out. Pretty solid. So that's that. Yeah, here she is. And it's a 4-speed manual. I don't know if it's got the 20 or 22R. I want to say 22, but I have to double check, which is kind of sad. But and the entire front completely stock. I'm leaving all this stock. I don't want to change any of that. I love that. But all this like extra carpet stuff, I'm most likely gonna remove just because it's so old and disgusting. But the worst part of this whole thing is down here. You can see it's just, everything's just dirty and old. I'm pretty sure we got a rat's nest right about in there. And I definitely saw rat poop, so that's kind of gross, but you know, it is what it is. I got a respirator mask and a bunch of tools. I'm gonna knock this out. For the record, I've never owned a stick shift vehicle. And we're gonna learn. Fire's right up when she's warm. Fasten seat belts. Belt sign is on. Oh, it's gone. Alright, let's go. No power steering either. People are going to be mad that I just cut them off, but we're going to get on our way, don't we? Alright, 3rd gear, we made it. That's as good as I'm going to get. Alright. Day 2 of the renovations. At this point,
it's basically just clean and rip up everything we think is not suitable, and then we're gonna go from there. But there's leaks on the roof and a little bit places everywhere, so we're just gonna go ahead and address ripping and cleaning, sealing, and then we'll build from there. So got a lot of nasty carpet, so still rip out, but we've already made a lot of progress. All the cabinets have been removed and are gonna get repainted and resanded. Day 2. Got my generator, which I'm hoping to drop in there or somewhere around here so we have a generator power. But making a mess. Alright. It's getting cleaner. My freaking back hurts. My girlfriend's back hurts. It's a lot of carpet, and carpet's really hard to rip up, honestly, but took it all out of this section, basically that entire thing. Unfortunately, probably gonna have to remove the headliner to get that last bit of carpet. But I removed all these guys. I removed the main power panel. I want to get all the wires exposed. The main fuse panel, AC panel, get that all out and exposed, and then I can start working on the plumbing and the electrical. We haven't really touched the bathroom yet, but pretty much ripped out. There was carpet all on the inside, ripped all that out. Carpet, ripped all that. Entire thing. So, we're getting there, but that shit is just disgusting. And that's the gas tank. And then this is for, I think, a water heater. Let's do a tour on the outside while I'm out here. Propane tank. Propane tank. Hey.